top 5 pantry staples for hassle-free healthy meals.
Keeping your pantry well-stocked makes preparing nutritious meals quick and easy. In this video, we reveal the top 5 staples to keep on hand. These versatile ingredients help you whip up wholesome dishes without last-minute runs to the store. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or anyone seeking convenience and nutrition, these essentials have you covered.
Whole grains, a nutritious foundation.
Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats deliver lasting energy, fiber, and important vitamins. They form the base for bowls, salads, soups, and breakfast dishes. Cook in batches for ready-to-eat meals throughout the week. Their mild flavor complements a variety of cuisines, making them an all-purpose addition to every healthy pantry.
Canned beans, plant-based protein power.
Canned beans, such as black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans, are packed with protein, fiber, and minerals. They're perfect for quick salads, stews, chili, and even pasta tosses. No soaking or lengthy cooking needed, just rinse and use. Beans are an affordable, shelf-stable way to boost nutrition in nearly any meal.
Canned tomatoes, flavor and versatility.
Canned tomatoes add richness and nutrients like vitamin C and lycopene to your meals. Use them in sauces, soups, curries, and casseroles. Diced, crushed, or whole tomatoes make it easy to create healthy dishes year-round, even when fresh produce isn't available. They're a must-have for countless hassle-free recipes.
Nuts and seeds, healthy fats and crunch.
Nuts like almonds and walnuts, along with seeds such as sunflower or chia, provide healthy fats, protein, and satisfying crunch. Sprinkle them over salads or yogurt, blend into smoothies, or enjoy as snacks. They add flavor and nutrition while keeping meals interesting and heart-healthy.
Dried herbs and spices, essential flavor boosters.
Dried herbs and spices like basil, oregano, cumin, and paprika instantly enhance the taste of any dish. They allow you to transform simple staples into exciting, globally inspired flavors. With just a pinch, you can make healthy recipes more enjoyable without extra calories or sodium. A varied spice rack is essential for any hassle-free kitchen.